If you want to block a number on Samsung Galaxy S25, you can open the phone app. And let's say that you have this phone number saved in contacts. In that case, you can go to contacts in the bottom right corner, select the contact that you want to block and press this gray eye icon. Now tap on more in the bottom right corner and choose block contact and then confirm that you want to block it. If you don't have the phone number saved in contacts, you can also go, for example, to recents. If that contact has reached you recently, if they tried to call you or you called them, then in that case we can tap on the recent phone number, press this gray icon on the right side, and then at the bottom we can find block as well, and then we can confirm our choice by pressing block. And the last option to block a phone number is by going to the top right corner. We can tap on these three dots and open settings, go to block numbers, and then over here we have add phone number field where we can enter the phone number that we wish to block, and then we can press this green plus on the right side, and there we go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!